Yeah.
Welcome everyone to Refresh Mindfulness.
Thank you. Hey, I love you.
I'm sitting here with my friends at Juniper Brick Line Senior Living, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of us sitting here together in a circle.
That's right.
Welcome.
Hi, you neighbors.
And we're going to start with a bell.
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful.
Hey, heard that, the kitchen.
That's wonderful.
So we try to have a theme every week,
Wash my hands.
and our theme this week is water. Because without it, we would not be here, right?
I had thought about that.
What do we do?
Water. We're talking about water. And I made a big ice cube last night. And I thought we'll watch it melt. We'll see how much is there by the end of class. Maybe it's going to stay in that state. So water is kind of a magical substance. First of all, it makes up the majority of our bodies, right?
Okay.
And we live on the blue planet because we have mostly ocean. We have a lot of water in many different ways. And I wanted to ask you, what are the 3 ways, states of water? This is one.
I
It's
mean,
frozen water, so it's
3 states of water,
states.
like
So,
it's frozen.
yeah, frozen, solid, then what else? When it melts,
Flowing.
It's
flowing,
the water's
liquid,
flowing.
liquid. And what's the last one?
Steam.
What?
Steam.
Steam. Right, steam, or like if fog, clouds,
Yeah.
little tiny droplets of water. So today we're going to play with the whole idea of water
Okay.
and see what we can do. So let's just begin with the water in our joints. We're going to open the joints, we're going to move and help our joints be more flexible. All the places in our bodies that move. So let's start with the hands. And let's see if we can have them go kind of in a wave-like motion. So we have water in the ocean and it makes waves. So we're just going to ride those waves for a moment. And now we're going to do the water breath. So let's put our hands out. And let's see, let's do it this way. Hands, the one on top is going to the left. So we're going to push the water this way and going to push the water this way. So breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, so it's a little harder when it's going sideways, I think. Let's try it like, you know the cycle of how the rain comes down, it makes the earth wet or it joins the ocean, and then it evaporates, right? Goes back up. So let's do that one. We're going to inhale, and then the rain comes down. We exhale. Inhale up. See how high you can go? Pause there and breathe out. Breathe in and fill all the way up and breathe out. And shake out your hands. You know how when a dog gets wet, what does it do? Right. Just look all that water off. Okay.
Everything is gone.
And now we're just going to look down and up. And let's look side to side. And now just let your chin roll from shoulder to shoulder. And now to open the shoulder joints, we're just going to roll them back, bend our elbows, and pull your elbows back. Okay? And then we're going to dive forward and reach. And come back. Take a dive. Reach through your fingertips. Come back. Oh, you're doing a great job with this one. Take a dive. And come back. And now let's tap. We're going to open the elbows. Just tap the shoulders. Yep. Or as many shoulders as you can. Absolutely. I want to remind you, especially if you're new to this class, you just do what you can. And if it's too hard or too big, you just adjust it for yourself. Perfect. Yep. And let's bring those elbows together or towards each other. How about that? Okay. Now let's lean forward and lean back. We'll just do that a couple of times. And now rock side to side. And we're going to put it all together. Forward, side, and back. So maybe this makes you think of a whirlpool, right? Or remember the water when it goes down the drain, goes around and around.
The only person I know.
And then we're going to change and go the other direction. So how does that work? Is it really true if you're in a different part of the earth?
Yes.
When the water goes down the drain, it goes the other direction.
Mm-hmm.
I've never seen that, but I've heard it said.
Mm-hmm. Depends on your location to the equator.
What's that?
Depends on your location to the equator.
Equator, okay. What if you're on the equator?
Well, it goes straight down.
Good answer.
If you're on the equator, the water goes straight down the drain.
don't
That's
take-
our suggestion for
Absolutely
today.
right.
Okay. Now, let's
Maybe-
take this knee and make a circle with the knee, opening our hip joints a little bit, and then we're going to go the other way. And then just hold that knee, and we're going to roll the foot. Open the ankle. And let's remember go the other way. There is fluid in our joints. And I suspect that when we move them, we may encourage that fluid to circulate. Now here, this one is a hard one. Bend your toe forward, okay? Then bend it back and swing it back, and bring it up again. One more, and we'll stop with it that way. Okay, let's go to the other side and make a circle with our knees.
Our knees.
Yeah. And then extend the foot and make a circle with the ankle. And the other way. And now we're going to bend it in, bend it out, and bring it back.
And
Kind of like a windshield wiper, right? One more. And let's give it a rest. Okay. So, I have a question for you. Let's say right in this moment. Uh-oh.
Just ignore that. Oh, jeez. Drop all my things.
What is it about water that gives you pleasure, that pleases you? Do you have an example?
Swimming in it,
Swimming,
drinking
okay.
it,
Swimming, yeah.
What?
drinking it.
If you're thirsty, it quenches the thirst. Anything else?
I love a hot shower.
Oh, anybody love a hot bath?
Yes.
I took one this morning just to get ready for this class.
Well, I love a hot bath, but I haven't had one in so long.
Right.
Because every place I go, they got showers.
Yes, you're right.
That's true.
Yes, it's true. But a hot shower is a good substitute.
Oh, it sure is.
Yeah.
Soak your feet.
What?
When you soak your feet.
Oh, soaking your feet.
Yeah.
That, that's a good remedy for if you're getting a cold or the flu or something. They say soak your feet.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah. Let's see, what else did I have down here?
So sorry.
Getting a
How-
good head.
Does anyone here enjoy boating? Yeah, what kind of boating?
We water ski and
Water skiing,
Something that floats on the water.
motorboats?
if it's motorboat, yeah.
How about a canoe or a rowboat?
Well, many years ago, yeah,
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
a long time.
Now, what kind of sports can you do on one special form of water? What would that be?
What sports?
Yeah, how about sports?
Skiing.
Snow.
What'd you say?
Yeah, snow sports.
Skiing.
Oh, skiing, yeah.
Yeah, snow.
Skiing. Oh, maybe skating. Like we've got some ice.
Oh, ice skating.
Ice skating.
Well, I was never good.
Snowboarding.
What about rollerblades?
How about, I bet in your life, you have done some sledding.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So there are lots of ways we can enjoy water. So let's make some bigger movements. All right, one of the ways we use water is cooking, right?
Right.
So let's stir the pot.
Do you know what we're doing?
We're just making a circle. That's fine.
We're making noodle soup.
Well, she
Yeah, now let's stir the other
I'm
direction.
sorry.
That's fine.
Now
You
we're
know what
making corn
stirring
soup.
pot means.
All right,
Corn soup,
now,
That's my favorite.
we were talking about the shower, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna scoop the water up and make a nice little shower for ourselves.
Oh.
Scoop it up, shower. And now we're gonna go the other way, and it's gonna be a waterfall. Hopefully, we're not in a boat going over the waterfall. We could maybe just stand at the top and watch it.
Oh my God, it hurts.
Yeah, even a little, just use your hands or just watch, that's fine. Okay, let's stretch out one leg. We're gonna raise a hand. Let's have this, what part of our imagination will we use? How about,
A abdomen.
that is a plant, and this is the rain. Woo. I also watered my plants this morning. I had totally had water on the brain, so to speak.
To get ready for us, that's why.
Yes, that's right.
Uh-huh.
I was immersed.
My daughter and her husband have a hot tub. Boy, do they love that.
Oh, let's put out the other side. We're going to water the other plant.
Oh, no.
Well, ever since menopause, I haven't really wanted to be in a hot tub anymore.
Well, that's information that you understand. You're too young for that.
Okay. And then again, let's do some swimming.
Nicholas swimming.
This is where I think I lost my shoulders. I did so much of this.
And just for fun, we're going to climb the rope,
Oh,
Oh, we're gonna drop into the,
and that's right, we're going to jump into the river for that swimming hole, right? Let's climb the rope and let it go.
okay.
One more. So hopefully Katie's going to come back and we're going to sing our song pretty soon.
she'll be back.
Okay, so I have a few little, it's a guessing game.
Okay,
I make your drink cold. What am I?
ice cube.
Okay. What form of water quenches your thirst?
Fresh, liquid.
Liquid. Right.
That'd be cold for me. To quench my thirst, it's gotta be cold water. The room temperature water doesn't do it.
Yes.
What temperature am I when I cook things?
When you cook what?
If I am water, what temperature am I when I cook things?
100.
120?
Oh, yeah, I just meant like boiling or simmering.
Oh,
Or-
that.
Yeah, like boil the potatoes.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's
Steaming,
see.
baking. Okay.
Okay, here's one. If I am water, I am a home for what kinds of creatures?
Fish.
Yes.
Fish? Anything else?
Oh, let's see. Ducks.
Crabs and clams?
Crabs and
Snakes? Ever seen a water snake?
worms.
Well, let's do that. Let's be the water snake.
Oh,
I think they're scary.
I do too.
I think they're
If I were
often
in the water
poisonous.
and one came up to me, I'd be petrified.
Oh, me too.
Well, it's interesting because they're not all poisonous, but some of them are.
But just the idea.
How about frogs or turtles?
They don't live in the water though, they use water like we do.
They're amphibians, right? They kind of go back
They
and forth.
like water like we do, but they don't live in it,
Yeah,
like fish and,
you're right, absolutely. They're not immersed. Sometimes, when you're outside, I make it difficult for you to see. Fog, right. I take many shapes in the sky. What am I? Clouds.
Oh, yeah.
All right, we're almost done. If there's too much of me on the land, what is it? A flood. Right. And here is our fearless leader. And we are ready to sing
You are.
our song. So we're going to, if you will join me, how many people here know row, row, row your boat? Okay. Well, you can sing along with us. So let's sing it together in unison, and then we can divide
do
in.
we know the song?
I think so.
Oh.
Row, row, row your boat
Oh.
gently down the stream.
Yeah, and then we're going to sing it in a round. Are you guys game for that?
We're game for anything.
All right, you got warmed up over there, I know you
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, let's just find a good starting point. Row, how about there?
did. Yeah.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Can we take it up just a little bit?
Row, 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 row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Is that better?
Yeah.
Gloria? All right.
For her.
What about if you say you go,
Is it too high for you? Is it better lower?
Yeah, but that's okay. I'll go with anything.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Norma
5,
are
6,
the
7,
same.
8. Perfect.
Yeah.
So how about this side with,
We'll start.
you four will start with Saltram, and you'll follow me. We'll come in like halfway through, okay? So you guys stay silent at the beginning,
Are we
okay?
a row?
Row, row, 2, 3, go.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Gently down the stream. Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
There you go, we
We
got
did
it.
Nice
Yay.
job. Okay, so let's close. I want to close, and before we close, I'd like to ask you one way you think water can bless your life today. Okay?
One way water
Water can bless your life today. That is a benefit to you today. So just, you don't have to say it out loud, but just think of one way you're grateful for water today. Okay?
Can you be grateful that it's not raining?
Yes! You can be grateful that it's not doing something. And the sun is shining, it's
That's
beautiful.
exactly where I was coming from.
It's not as cold as it was yesterday. It's really lovely.
Oh, gee.
Okay, so we had a nice flow today. We got started a little late, but
It's all right.
we'll work it out. So next week we'll be able to do both things really easily. Oh, let's do a wave. I see Norma moving over there. Do you know the wave where I'll start and then, let's go this way. I'll start and then you start and then you start. So I'll go up, you go up, you go up,
Okay.
and you go up. Oh, like one after another, we go up.
Put your hands down, Mother. Go down like this, and go down like this. She wants you to do up and down and up and down.
Oh, it's okay. It's too complicated.
No, it's not complicated. We just need to know what we're doing.
Okay, so this is how,
We're going to go up and down like this.
so,
Isn't that right?
well, what I was thinking is that we do it we take a turn. How about this? So I'll go first, and then you'll go, and you'll go. And that makes it look like it's going around the
Okay, we're
circle.
saying the same thing.
Okay? All right, so I'll start. It's my turn, and now it's Mary's turn. Yep, Peg's turn. Norma's turn. Keep going. We did it. Okay, let's do one more. Yes, it's beautiful. Now you can all go to the Penn State football game. That's what they do. It's called the Wave. It goes through the whole crowd. It's wonderful. So take a moment to look around and see who came today. 9 of us and 10 with Katie. And I'm so grateful that we could be fluid together. And let's look at our,
It's melting.
well,
Not too much.
not too much. There's a little bit of water on there. But it's really fun to watch it slide around. Hi, Connie. How's everybody doing today?
Good.
We're
We're
just
all melting.
good. Ducky, thank you. Just ducky. Okay. Now is a good time to ring the bell. So we've used our bodies, we've used our imagination, and we've used our spirits because we're all engaged.
Beautiful sound.
Yeah.
I don't know, yes.
And now is a good time, if you like, to turn to your neighbor and wish them well.
Hi, neighbors, I wish you well.
I hope you have a great day.
Wish you
I
well.
have,
I wish you well.
I have problems.
Oh.
I have singing
I wish
voice.
you well.
You what?
I don't have singing voice.
Oh, that's okay. You can always just
Yeah.
You
move
don't
around
have,
with us.
did you say you don't have a singing voice?
No.
Oh, piffle, I don't believe it.
I do.
Goodbye,
sometimes, she does.
and thanks for watching.